How to log in FNB Bank online banking. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed FNB Bank application in your device. If not, head over to Play Store and search for FNB. This is the application that you should download. Tap on Install, and once done, tap on Open. As you launch your app, you will see this kind of interface. Now go ahead and tap onto My Profile. If you don't see the My Profile icon in the middle section, tap on 3-bar icon on your top left. Go on to Set up My Account and tap on I have login details on the first option. Then at the next page, just enter your username and tap on to Continue on your bottom right. In the next page, you have to enter your password. And if your credential matches your account, you will get signed into your FNB bank account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.